Yo, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy OmarioRpg. I hope you're having an amazing morning, afternoon, or evening, wherever you are in the world. And today we are back reacting to episode 11, Mission Startu of Chainsaw Man. This one came out on December the 25th. December the 20th. So this was the last one before Crimbo. It is now the 27th. Oh, wait. The new one must have released today. But I will be watching Blue Lock after this. Yeah, just finished episode 10. Absolutely loved it. Can't wait to get into episode 11. Just to find out what the hell is going on with this demon. And I thought about this, and I didn't mention it last episode, but at first I was a little bit frustrated that we're not learning much about Makima, but I kind of like the mysteriousness behind her. Oh my. Do you know what I mean? So, yeah, for now, I guess they're going to leave that for another time. Super looking forward to seeing what Mike Wazowski's all about. We obviously... One would guess that, you know, it's going to help you tell the future. I wonder if it's like that film where you know, that guy, he knows, what's it? The Nicolas Cage film. Was it 6 seconds in the future? 6 minutes into the future? I can't remember. But yeah, I wonder if there's going to be like a time. I don't think it's going to be like you can read the future. I highly doubt it. But we'll see. But this, we know that this demon, devil, drives a hard bargain, because one guy, he had to give up his sight and stuff, and another guy had to give up half his life. So let's see what's going to go on with Aki, who I believe only has 2 years left to live, unless I've misunderstood the curse demon. Also, if he uses that sword twice, that means he dies, correct? It takes off a year of his life every time he uses it, correct? I can't remember. Let me know. The fox demons deserted him, so he's just lost his best friend. It's not going well. It's not going well. Let's get into it. Before we do, be sure to like, subscribe, all that good stuff. Check out my Patreon, patreon.com/OmarioRpg. And here we go. So what was really weird was the last episode was I could only watch it in 720. This one I can watch in 1080. I don't know what the hell happened, Crunchyroll. Let's go. I love the atmosphere. And even the attention to detail in this prison. It looks really cool. Like the design of it all is really well done. I mean, oh yeah, my bloody camera forgot to fix it. We're just going to have to deal with it. Obviously, you've got the generic, you know, dark part, and you can't see the monster. But, like, look at the... just really well... animated. Really, really well animated. I am spoiled right now with animation. This Blue Lock and fair enough. Okay. I don't know what I was gonna expect, but we know that this author is pretty much nuts when it comes to writing whatever it is he writes. So yeah. And I love that. You could have like generically just given us a badass looking Cyclops, but this guy's like, no, I'm good. You're gonna get whatever the hell that is. It looks like something like The Witcher. I can't remember what they're called. Oh, hell nah. Is it a treant? A treant. I think that's what it's called. Okay.
It's
gonna live in his eye. Surely, okay. Well, we're gonna be hearing that Mirai Seiko a lot, I think.
今のは100点の動きだったぞ。指導を踏まえて明日に実践だ。
実践？
姫野たちを殺した侍ソードとヘビ女を俺たち全員で捕まえに行く。 新四課のお披露目式だ。その作戦で失敗したら四課は終わり。そうなりゃお前たちは処分されて、俺とマジバトルだ。
俺を強くしてくれたからな。これでもっと悪魔を殺せる。そうすりゃマキマさんとランデブーや。
He just hit him with that stare.
今回は忙しい中、お疲れ様でした。これからもデンジ君とパワーちゃんをよろしくお願いします。
俺もあいつら嫌になってきちゃったな。
I wouldn't be surprised if he's already, you know.
育てた犬が死ぬたびに酒の量が増える。おもちゃなら壊れても罪悪感はないと思ってたが、この年になるとボケてきておもちゃに。
I'm starting to like them.
お前、分かっていて見逃したな。
私も襲撃に遭いましたよ。
お前がどんな非道を尽くそうと、俺の飼い犬を殺そうと、人間様の味方でいるうちは見逃してやるよ。
私は悪魔から一人でも多く人を救いたいだけで
That's
す。
how you build tension right there.
今回の作戦が成功すれば、四課の存在を
What's
積
she
極
up
的に
to?
報道することになってます。そうすれば、四課は今より動きやすくなって、より悪魔から人を救える。
嘘つき。
Yeah, she's chatting shit. I think she wants the top job. Probably, something like that. Oh, there she is. There he is.
組長は別荘に移動してもらっています。我がも
マキマが生きてる限り日本には逃げれる場所はない。
それに四課にはクソ電池がいる。次こそ心臓をもぎ取ってやる。
お前たちの若の心配はいらない。死んでも蘇るからな。それよりここに残るなら噛まれないように用心しな。
じいちゃんの置き土産。
Oh, there it is. That's his
ゾンビ
granddad.
に噛まれた人間はゾンビになる。それで四課を終わらせる。
There it is. So his granddad's the guy who thingy killed.
俺たちは東京観光して京都帰ります。本気で殺せるって
He's side-eyeing him.
今回得意顔20人ほど殺したやつに君は負けてるのに、世界中の人間をうん百万人殺したやつには勝てるとでも？弱いくせに漫画の主人公みたいな目標を掲げて、痛くて寒いぼたつわ。ほら、
What a
立ってる。
dick!
立ってへんわ。
Wait,
痛くて寒いぼたつ。弱いくせに漫
you
画
go
の
around
主
with
人
this
公みたいな
hot shot
目標を
goal
掲げて
like some kind of manga
痛く
character.
て寒いぼたつ。
Man, fourth wall.
ほら、立っとるやろ。
俺の前でごちゃごちゃ言わないでくださいよ。
Facts. Love that.
あんたは黙って見てればいい。
Mm-hmm.
俺が負けて死んだその時に笑いに来てください。
There's more to him than meets the eye, I'm telling you. But I feel like he would have done whatever he needed
ご
to
指
do.
導ありがとうございました。
Maybe I'm wrong.
アキくん、君のことムカつくけど応援しとくわ。最後にこの言葉を送る。得意科にはまともなやつはいないから気をつけな。
Little smile there. Fair enough. Look at that. Lovely.
公安のお客さんだ。高い茶用しろ。聞いた話によると、この沢渡って女が来るわけでな。この女を仲介にうちの若いやつが騙されて銃の悪魔と契約しちまったらしい。
組にいる10の悪魔と契約している方の名前を
Shit.
すべてここに書いてもらいます。
おう、いいよ。しばらく無所に入れて反省させ
Oh, she's not gonna throw him in the slammer,
あ
mate.
なたの組の名前だけでなく、他の組の方のもお願いします。
ん？
国民の安全のためです。ご協力お願いします。
How's she gonna... Alright, let's see what she's got here. Because he's definitely not doing this.
デビルハンターが悪魔から人間を守っているように、俺たちヤクザも外国人から日本人を守ってるんだよ。
Bro! I was gonna say, yeah, had a badass guy who can turn into Sword Man, I guess we're gonna call him. Literally reminds me of a Yakuza character. I didn't know they were actually the Yakuza. I guess I should have guessed that. Fair enough. Also, can we just appreciate... I love how, like... in animes, if you pause it at a certain time, like the quality goes down. Like I just, you know what I mean? We've got bloody Saitama over here, do you know what I mean? Not that the quality it's like a different art style from a distance, right? So you should be focusing on her, but meanwhile we've got Saitama over here. It's just brilliant. Anyway.
デビルハンターは学のないバカが多いっつうからわからないのも当然かね。
Wait, one sec.
つうからわからないんだよ。
Also, one question. Who is the voice actor for the sword guy? Is it Niall from AOT? That's a good question. I'm just saying. They both got the Chad voices. The Yakuza are keeping Japan safe from foreigners.
デビルハンターは
Over here,
学
there's a
の
lot
ない
of
バカが
uneducated
多いっ
types.
つうからわからないのも当然かね。
ここにいる皆さんの父や母、おばあちゃん、おじいちゃん、兄弟、姉妹、恋人、奥さんの目です。
目
安心してください。
Okay.
目を元通りにできる人がいます。
What?
協力していただけるのなら、その人を紹介します。必要な悪というのは、常に国家が首輪をつけて支配しているものです。
Okay. Alright. I don't think she's...
地下と1階入り口はタイマニカと警察が包囲。
So she's on about the vibes of, listen, I'll be as evil as I want to, like, but I am working for, like, the top, you know, I'm basically the government. Do you know what I mean? But you being evil is bad. Is that why I got there? And I'm doing evil to do good, necessary evil. Whereas you doing a necessary evil is just like a scummy, there's no point to it. Even though he's definitely told her that there is a point because it keeps out the Chinese and Soviet mafia. Let me know, because that was a really interesting part. How the hell is she going to return eyeballs, by the way? Bro, I don't know what the hell this Makima... I told you there's something going on with her eyes, though. I knew she could just look at... I thought it would be hypnosis. It turns out that she looked at that guy, and he just started bleeding from the inside. She is one creepy woman.
ビル中の制圧は全て得意四課に任されている。できるだけ公安を殺してデンジの心臓を奪う。
Oh, bless her.
帰りゃいいじゃねえか。俺は特訓したからよ。あのもみあげマンぶっ殺してやる。
Sideburns, man.
特訓して頭も良くなったからの。
I wonder who her devil is.
作戦は
The monkey devil. I
作
don't
戦
know.
はない。
Wait, isn't that what she said? No.
ビルにぶち込む。今回警察とタイマニカは1階と地下の出入り口を封鎖。得意4課で中にいるテロリストを制圧する。今回お前たちにはテロリストではなく4課と交戦になった場合に備えて隊員の特徴を説明しておく。
What the hell?
サメの魔人、壁の中や地面、どんな場所でも泳ぐことが
What
で
a
きる。
badass!
こいつは短い間なら悪魔の姿にもなれる。
Where the hell did this guy come from?
ごめんな。噛まれたからゾンビだと思った。
Oh my god, it's a blood doctor.
暴力の魔人。本来魔人になると悪魔の時よりも弱くなるが、
Wait, let me catch that.
こいつは魔人でも
Even as a fiend, this one's dangerous enough. That we make the violence fiend wear a mask that dispenses poison gas. Ah, okay, so if he messes up, then they poison, they put him to sleep or something.
何があってもこいつの仮面は取るな。
なんだ。悪魔か。
But she looks like, what's her name?
雲の悪魔。普段は人間のような形をしている。感謝って人を殺すぞ。
This is insane. Hold up! Alright,
天使の悪魔。
fair enough.
こいつは特殊な悪魔で人に敵意はないが近づくな。触れると寿命を吸い取られるからな。
She touches you and your lifespan goes. Alright, okay. He's not gonna give her her hand.
よく僕に近づけるね。 触れられたら寿命短くなるのに。
Bro, he
目星
doesn't.
だったら大丈夫なんだろ
いったった。
That was so cool.
お前ら
She's interesting.
ここは魔人
So she's like Rogue from X-Men.
侍ソードとヘビ女を探すぞ。
あ当てはあんのかよ。
ない手分けして探せ。
I love the variety. This guy just went crazy. Well, we already know the guy the mangaka, I think it's called. The mango eater. We'll call it that for now. We already know the mango eater is insane. But I love I feel like he just had so much fun making this anime, manga. Do you know what I mean? Like, he said, yeah, the shark head from Harry Potter, is it Goblet of Fire? You know how he turns. I'm just going to make a devil out of that. You know, maybe he got Rogue from X-Men. I'm going to chuck that in. A lady can turn into a spy. Like, it's just so... just have fun with it, mate. I respect it. What a shot. She's around somewhere. Oh, he must have gave her all the names. I thought they blew up when she... Okay, I guess she can choose. You are insane, darling. Insanely hot, but insane. See, these shots, man, I'm telling you. That was such a good shot. Oh, it's go time. Another thing I haven't mentioned.
テビー、吐き出し。
Oh, she lost a fingernail. Oh, hell no.
幽霊、あいつを殺せ。
Another thing I haven't mentioned is how just everyone's in normal clothes. Like, they haven't got like some super OP outfit to make them look cool. But this girl's just wearing a hoodie.
僕の力を使えばね、君の右目は少し先の未来が見えるよ。
Oh, so that's what he's doing. Notice how they said a bit into the future? I wish we knew exactly.
見えるだけだけどね。
Oh!
そのまま絞め殺せ。
Creepy ass thing, man. No! Is he now my favorite character? Bro, I keep forgetting that this show not just kind of it add so many baddies and be like, yeah, or new devils. It does it on the opposite side where we just saw a whole different division and like how OP they were, and so good. The dopamine behind seeing these badass devils is just so good, man. It really is. She's nuts, by the way. But she gets MVP this episode. She really does. And I'm so weird when it comes to MVP moments, but for some reason, my favorite moment... This song slaps, by the way. Actually, no, my favorite moment was seeing all the new devils. I was going to say the moment in the car where that guy was just taking a piss out of him. And he kind of broke the fourth wall where he was like, you remind me of a character who wants to be a guy who wants to be a cool manga character. Do you know what I mean? That part was really cool, but no. Makina, she gets MVP because she's just insane. And she just made this episode me just go, what the hell is going on? I can't wait to find out more about her and what she's up to. But yeah, best moment goes to seeing all those devils at the end. I absolutely am loving this show. I don't know why I stopped. I'm just normally, I don't know about you guys, but it's hard for me to just, go down 3 routes, Blue Lock, Demon Slayer, and Chainsaw Man. I kind of had to when I was reacting to Chainsaw Man and Blue Lock because they were only coming out once a week. But Demon Slayer, it's all out, so I can just watch it, right? But I do need to get better at that. Because in the future, I want to be, like now, I want to continue reacting to different mangas, animes. So, while we're going to be reacting to Demon Slayer Season 2, we're going to have Vinland Saga. And I don't know when Blue Lock and Chainsaw Man end. But let me know if there are any insane animes that are coming out January. Let me know. I know Vinland Saga. I can't wait. If you haven't seen my Vinland Saga reaction, please do. One of my favorite animes ever. Absolutely love it. Can't wait for Season 2. It's got my favorite character in any anime ever. I don't care what anyone says. Torkel is my guy. But yeah. Anyway, love this anime. Loving all the animes I'm watching. Can't wait to watch more. Comment down below. Any new anime you want me to react to. The reason I say a new anime is because while I'm choosing my animes, I can have one, concurrent one, which is Demon Slayer right now. And then we're gonna be going back to One Punch Man Season 2 after Demon Slayer Season 1. And then Demon Slayer Season 2 after One Punch Man Season 2. But while these two are jumping apart, we've got Blue Lock, Chainsaw Man. We're going to have an episode of Vinland Saga. You see what I'm saying? I'm excited. Thank you so much for watching anyway. Check out my Patreon for all of that. It could be all out by the time this goes out. Who knows? Thank you so much for watching. And I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for being you. Bye-bye.